use it very safely. I used to wear them every single day. Hoops and hoops, hoops and hoops, hoops and hoops. This was of my sister and मैंने उनके डब्बे से निकाल दिया था. Hoops that I'm talking about is Hey my loves, I hope you all are doing great and staying safe at home. This is Darshika and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another video. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that small bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you guys get notified. And why I'm saying to subscribe my channel is that I will be posting 3 times in a week and I post related to fashion, makeup, hauls, challenges and many more. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, so talking about this video, in this video I'll be sharing my hoops collection. Now I have been really enjoying wearing hoops and I thought why not let's just share it with you guys which hoops I wear on a day-to-day basis and which I don't wear anymore. I don't have like a 20-50 hoops. I have basic hoops. I have approx 10 hoops and every hoop is different. Yeah, I'm very excited for this video. So yeah, let's get started with today's. So starting up with the hoops that I'm wearing. So this is my current obsession because I just love these silver hoops. This looks so cute and they are very small in size, so they go with my every outfit and I love wearing this for my YouTube videos because it just makes my appearance more better. And yeah, I love wearing these hoops. So I remember I got this for just 10 rupees from Patkapuram market when I was in coaching. Like when I was in school, I used to go to coaching and in class 10th I guess I purchased these from Patkapuram market and still are same. Like I have worn more than 100 times these and they are still the same and I absolutely love wearing these hoops. I just got this for 10 rupee which is such a good deal. So if you can see इसका color भी अभी तक नहीं गया है बिल्कुल भी, and which is the best thing about these hoops. And for just for 10 rupees what you want, like these are so good. These are not heavy, not at all. These are not expensive. These are of good quality and yeah, I just love this. So I've been finding out such hoops in Patkapuram market for such a long, but I have never found again these hoops. And yeah, I'm still finding out. So the day I will saw their shopkeeper again, I will be purchasing some more hoops from him. So moving on to the next hoop. So this is the box where I keep my regular hoops, the hoops which I wear on a day-to-day basis. So I have this white tissue paper type of thing. I like to keep my jewelries really safe, and if I don't do this, they my jewelry start oxidizing if you don't keep them in plastic bags or say such tissue paper. So I do care for my jewelries. So talking about the hoops, so the first pair that I'm going to show you is my second favorite and I have worn this so many times. Hoops that I'm talking about is Alright, so the hoops that I'm talking about is these Prel hoops. Now again I got this from Patkapuram market and these are these Prel hoops. This was for just 80 rupees and the quality is again very good. The Patkapuram jewelry's qualities are amazing. Like they are not too expensive. If you know how to bargain, how to fix the price of things, then you will just you will be on the top when it comes to jewelry because Patkapuram has such a good collection of jewelries. They have trendy pieces, they have all those oxidized jewelries. I have most of my jewelries from that market only. I am so crazy for jewelries and when it comes to Patkapuram, I become more and more excited. So talking about the Prel that it has, I thought when I was purchasing this, मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि it will start leaving its color, like the white one will start coming off and it will become yellow, but till now it's like it is about going to be 1 year to these hoops and they are still the same. कोई yellowish color नहीं हुआ है, it is still white and these are still same. I just love this. So once what happened, I thought of wearing this on my hand and I wore it and this one was the hoop. So if you can see, this is a circle but this has like somewhat, I don't know, some I did something wrong with it because I wore this on my hand and इसका shape बिगड़ गया and I tried of making it again like that and थोड़ा बहुत वैसा हो गया but it is not the same way. But talking about this one, this is all good. So अगर मैंने इसको hand में bracelet की तरह नहीं पहना होता, so ये तब भी ऐसा ही रहता, but yeah, still I wear them and still love them. I have seen so many such pieces on Meesho, on Flipkart, on Amazon, and they are good. Like the reviews are good. Meesho पे काफ़ी अच्छे reviews थे, but I can't trust Meesho for jewelries. Oh my god, I have purchased jewelries on Meesho and every time it is so bad. If you want a Meesho haul of like a collective Meesho haul, I would love to do that. Do let me know in the comment section. I have not done a Meesho haul till now and it's trending right now, but still I have not done. I don't know why I am not doing it. So if you guys are interested in watching Meesho haul, do let me know in the comment section. Will love to do that. Talking about the next hoops, I have so many silver hoops that I wear on a day-to-day basis. Not like so many. I have like 4 to 5 silver hoops that I wear on a day-to-day basis. But talking about these golden hoops, I only have this one golden hoop right now. I also have one, but it has oxidized. It is not looking good, not at all. And I was thinking of showing it in this video, but looking so cheap. Those were for 200 rupees and उसमें बिल्कुल भी bargain नहीं हुआ था. I got these from Bhootnath and they are looking so cheap. It is not looking good at all and I can't show such pieces on my videos. So talking about these hoops, so again these hoops I got from near my store, like घर के बगल से ही स्टोर से मैंने लिया था. These were for 20 rupees and these are okay. Like I can wear these, but these are not the top notch one. I don't like these that much. These are good, like as I said, for 20 rupees it's good, but it is not like the one that I can wear blindly. Like I can wear this hoop blindly, and except this one hoop I can wear any hoop blindly, but not this one because this is of a very cheap quality. I don't like this one, not at all. So yeah, this is the only golden hoop that I have. I have to get some golden hoops, but yeah, we'll get it very soon. So yeah, this is my one piece left golden hoop. Okay, so I have my box in my hand only and I'm going to show you the next one. So the next one that I'm going to show you is these colorful hoops. Talking about these, I got these from Bhootnath market again, and these are good. Like these have a little bit oxidized, but यहाँ पे it has like star work, so यहाँ से तो it has not oxidized, but this area has oxidized. This was golden and this has become now silver, so that is the issue with these, but I still wore this because these look good and this has become silver. So ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ भी है कि नहीं, इसका कलर चेंज हुआ भी है कि नहीं, कुछ नहीं पता चलता है. एंड दीज वर जस्ट फॉर 10 rupees. लाइक आई सॉ दी सेम पीसेस व्हेन आई परचेज दिस like on Shein 1 year before. On Shein I saw these pieces and they were exactly the same. The picture was exactly the same. It was like around 150 or 200, something like that. These were for 10 rupees and I thought why not, let's just pick this up. Shein से ही क्यों मंगाना, तब 10 रुपये में ये Bhootnath market में मिल रहा है. So I picked these up and I really love these. I love wearing these hoops. So yeah, these are the next hoops that I have. These left pieces are only the silver hoops. I love wearing silver hoops. As you can see, I just love silver hoops. So the first hoop that I'm going to share with you guys is this simple basic silver hoops. This hoop is just like this one and is of really good quality. I think it was a little bit expensive, but yeah, it's of really good quality. And yeah, this is the hoops and yeah, these are very lightweight, very lightweight. Mostly hoops lightweight होते हैं. These are exactly the same as these ones when it comes to quality. The size is just big and it was expensive according to this one. This was just for 10 rupees and I love this one the most. And this is the next hoop that I have. I love this basic hoop. I just love having basic hoops. I have such 2-3 more pieces and I just love those pieces. And yeah, this is the next hoop that I have. So the next hoop that I'm going to show you guys is this one. Now this is again something that I love. I know, like I'm saying I love this hoop, I love that hoop, I love this hoop, but I love all of these hoops. Like I literally love all these hoops. I love wearing hoops. So yeah, talking about these hoops, this is a silver hoop again, and this is a different kind of a hoop and I have never I never have another piece of this, so I use it very safely because I love these. This just adds that glam to my simple outfits. If I wear this one with this top, it will just look so bomb. So yeah, this is the next hoop that I have. This has a kind of a detailing on it, like I can't tell which type of detailing it is, but it looks like something like flower, and इसमें ऐसे linings भी बनी हुई हैं, so it looks really pretty. And the quality of this one is again on the top notch. Like, I love these hoops because of their quality. The quality is just so good. This is of the best quality hoop that I have right now. So this was expensive. This was for 150 rupees, and again I got this from Patkapuram market, and these are just so good. I just love these hoops. This just adds that bomb to my outfit, which I want to with my basic outfits. So yeah, this is the hoop. Moving on to the next one, I have two more silver pieces. So I'm going to show you this one. This is the biggest hoop that I have, and I don't wear them right now that much. The time I bought these from that market, I used to wear them every single day. Like, whenever I was shooting, I used to just put on these hoops, and I was like, I'm all ready to shoot. Before even doing my makeup, I used to put these hoops because I just love these. But right now I'm not into these big hoops. I'm into this small cute pieces. But yeah, they are still my favorite ones. So talking about the size, so you can see it is hexagon, I think. So this is in the shape of hexagon, which is just so cool. And yeah, the quality is again very good of these. The shape is still the same, and I got these a year back again, and yeah, just love this. So this was for 100 rupees, and I guess the quality of this one, according to the price, the quality of this one is so good. Like, I just love this. So yeah, this is the next hoop that I have. This is kind of like silver plus blackish kind of a hoop. Its color is very different. So yeah, this is the next hoop that I have, and this is the biggest size of hoop that I have. Okay, so the second last hoop that I have, and this is a silver hoop again. Now these are the hoops that I wore like the most because of their shape. Like, oh my god, you can see hoops and hoops, hoops and hoops, hoops and hoops, hoops and hoops. If I wear this like this, इसी में ऐसे करके देखते हैं. So you can see इसका जब ये ऐसे कान में होता है, so ये ऐसे घूमता रहता है round round. So these are the hoops that I have. Again, this has a small detailing work on it. These are little different again. It has this kind of detailing on it, and yeah, these are very different from all my hoops. And these are the hoops that I wear with my black gown every time. So I have a black, like a midi type of a gown, and I wear these hoops every time with that gown. And I love these hoops, and I love these hoops wearing with that gown. So yeah, this is the one that I have. Talking about the MRP, I don't know from where it is. I don't know what MRP it is of, because this was of my sister, and मैंने उनके डब्बे से निकाल दिया था. Yeah, these are the hoops that was not mine, but now it is mine. So last hoop left in this box is a black basic hoop. Now I don't like these hoops that much because of the quality. The quality is not at all good of these, but these were expensive. Like, these were for 100 rupees again, and the quality is not good at all. According to the money that I paid for these hoops, it is not good, not at all. So these are the black basic hoops again, and this can fit on my hand. Okay, so this easily fits in my hand, which is like good. I can use this as a bracelet. Okay. But talking about these hoops, I don't like them wearing now because of the quality. They don't look good. Like, I don't like them that much now. So I'm thinking of doing some DIY with this. So yeah, we'll see to it. And these are the hoops that I again got from local store, from near some, I don't know, like from where it is, I don't remember. I just remember the price because of the quality of this one. So yeah, these are the hoops. These are the last hoops of this collection. Hey guys, that was my hoops collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, follow me on Instagram because I post daily on Instagram. And yeah, also I have a Facebook page right now. And on which I am posting regularly. I'm trying to post it regularly on Facebook, but if you are on Instagram, don't forget to follow me over there because I post daily, as I said. And yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.